Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Newnik PX701 Pulse Oximeter. This current variant is the royal blue variant. There's an image of the oximeter right on top. This is also FDA approved, so that's a great thing. And this particular box contains the main unit, two AAA batteries, a lanyard and a user manual as well. This is basically a device that you'll use to measure your SpO2 levels or your blood oxygen saturation levels. Recently, these products have been sold a lot because a low SpO2 level is an indication of whether you have COVID or not. So this is a useful, very useful medical tool. I'll open this box and show you what's inside. But before that, let me read out some of the features over here. It says SpO2 and pulse rate display, buzzer alarm function, auto power on off, 4 direction modes, high accuracy, bar graph and pulse waveform display as well. Let's see if we can get all of them. I'll just open this and show you what's inside. So this is the user manual for the PX701 Pulse Oximeter from Newnik. Everything that you want to know is written over here. You should read this at least once because this is after all a medical device. And it's also a very important document. You should not lose this as well. What's this? This is a quality certificate for the PX701. This is also a very important document. Now let's take a look what's here. This is a carry bag. Yeah, this is a carry bag for this pulse oximeter. It's a great addition. This is a lanyard and I'm going to take it out of the packet. There you go. This is a lanyard. And we also have two AAA batteries to power this particular oximeter up. Now let's take a look at the oximeter itself. There you go. So there you go. This is what it looks like. This is the Newnik PX701 Pulse Oximeter. This is a very standard looking pulse oximeter. This particular model is one of the most popular models out in the market right now. And the idea is that you insert your finger here and all the display will come over here. Let's try that. First we have to insert the batteries. So let's open this flap. This is where the batteries will go in. You heard that tone. That tone basically means that this device is now ready to be used. It says finger out. I'm going to put my finger in now. It's currently measuring. So if I press this button, the display changes to the correct alignment. This is the vertical alignment, and yeah, it's already giving me a number. It's saying my SpO2 is at 99%, which is pretty great. I don't have any ailments right now. So yeah, this is how you use it. Press it once again, you get a horizontal view as well. So you can change the alignment according to your preference. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Newnik PX701 Pulse Oximeter. The variant is royal blue. Thank you for watching.